Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Hey, we're reading Animals at Night, and we're working on strategies that we've already learned, but we're just stronger readers now. So we want to continue to use those strategies and really be smart about it. So things that we have learned to do is to really ask yourself, does that make sense? Remember to look at the book, the cover, think about what the book's going to be about, preview it before you read it. So today we're going to spend more time talking about the pictures in a book. So right when you turn the page and you see some new pictures, one thing you need to do is before you read the page, stop and think and use the pictures to help you predict what the page might be about. So I just turned the page in my Animals at Night book, and I saw this page has a picture of a toad on it. And I know a few things about tree toads because when I grew up, we had tree toads that would crawl up on our glass window, our sliding glass door by our dock, and they would catch bugs at night. And I know they chirp. They make like a chirping noise. So that's what I know about tree toads. So I'm wondering if it's going to talk about them being out at night. And then this is a picture of a crayfish, which is kind of like a small crab or a shrimp. And then I know, and here's a picture of raccoon. So I know that raccoons like to eat them. And I'm wondering if the raccoon comes out at night and tries to catch them. But I'm wondering how the raccoon could catch it in the dark. So I'm going to read these two pages, and I'm thinking that this page is going to talk about the toads chirping at night and catching bugs. And this page is going to talk about raccoons catching the crayfish. All right, so we'll see if we're correct. All right, listen, there's a big noise near the pond. It's a spring peepers singing their evening song. The spring peeper is a very small frog. It is only about as big as a grape. But when they all sing together, the peepers make a big noise. So was I right? Well, I was thinking about a tree toad, but this is actually a frog. So I was a little bit wrong about the animal, but it does sing at night, just like the tree toads. All right, let's see if we're right about this page about the crayfish and the raccoons. In the water, a crayfish has come out to hunt for food. It looks like a big bug. During the day, it hides under flat rocks in the bottom of the pond. But the crayfish isn't the only animal here tonight. A raccoon comes down to the water. It's a furry animal with stripes on his bushy tail. The raccoon hunts at night near the water. It would like to catch a crayfish tonight. All right, so during the day, those crayfish hide under rocks, so maybe at night, the raccoon has an easier time catching them if they're not under the rocks, right? So it was about the raccoon eating the crayfish. So when I saw those two pictures together, I thought, I bet that raccoon is going to eat that crayfish. And sure enough, it was true. So boys and girls, before you read the next page, when you turn and you look at the pictures, all right, if there's pictures there, let the pictures help you think about what the page is going to be about and do some predicting. And then that way your brain is going to check whether you're right or not. All right, good luck, boys and girls. Use those pictures today.